All right, so if you're looking for a free alternative to popular reference track plugins, this might be an option. This is REFFREY, a completely free reference analyzer plugin for music production and mixing. And since it's free, it's definitely worth checking out. So reference tracks are one of the best ways to improve your mixes. If your low end sounds off, your vocals feel buried, or your mix just isn't hitting like professional tracks, using references can help you figure out exactly what's wrong. Normally plugins like this are pretty expensive. You got tools like Metric AB, Reference 3, ListenHub, and others. But this one is trying to give you all those features, and the same idea is completely free. So this plugin works on both Mac and Windows, supports VST3 and audio units. Now the first thing that stands out is the range mode. This basically gives you a visual comparison between your mix and your reference track, so you can instantly see where your track is lacking or where there might be overpowered. So if your low end is too heavy, you'll see it. If your highs are too harsh, you'll see it. If your mix feels too narrow compared to commercial tracks, you'll see that too. And then there's elements mode, which is honestly one of the coolest parts of the plugin. This breaks down where things like the kick, snare, bass, vocals, leads, and other elements are sitting compared to your reference. So instead of guessing why your mix doesn't feel balanced, you actually get visual feedback showing what might need adjustment. It also has gain matching, stereo width comparison, LUFS metering, RMS and peak monitoring, and automatic reference track saving. And then one thing that's very interesting, it has Deezer integration. You can actually search and import 30-second clips of tracks directly inside the plugin, which makes testing references very fast. I think reference tracks are one of the most underrated mixing tools out there. A lot of producers treat referencing like some advanced mastering trick, but honestly, it's one of the fastest ways to improve your mixes. And if you look around producer communities online, people constantly talk about how much referencing helps their mixes translate better. Because in reality, your ears adapt over time. You spend hours working on a song and completely lose perspective. A good reference track basically resets your ears and keeps you grounded. So for a free plugin, this is actually really impressive, especially if you're newer to mixing or you never really used reference tracks before. And if you already own some of the paid for plugins, this might be also something you might want to check out, especially with the Deezer integration. Now I have it muted because I have some reference tracks in here and I don't want to get copyright strikes and such. But the all view, solo view, peaks, average, live, smooth. Over here you can see our kick, snare, and such like that. And just different views, our meters down here. So our red is our kick here. We've got the sub here, kick, snare, the mids. Turn those on and off, air. So pretty wild. And we can have more than one reference track in here as well. And if you want to add reference, you just go to Deezer here, search for a song, and just import 30-second clip, and you're good to go. Let me know in the comments below if you're using any of these other reference plugins. I know Reference 3 just came out. I also use Metric AB. I've tried some other ones. This one's definitely very interesting indeed to check out as well. Anyways, let me know what you think. Leave some comments down below. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.